Hello students, welcome back. So students, today's English class we will be doing active English. I'm sure you have your active English books with you. So students, just have a look at the screen. You have this question written over here. Just read that question. What has he done? Question mark. What has he done? Now below that it's written, he has hurt himself. Somebody is asking this question, what has he done? So he's getting the reply, he has hurt himself. Now just look at the answer. He has hurt himself. Now he is a pronoun and you also have there himself written. So now let me tell you this word, just pay attention, himself. Here, he has hurt himself. Here, himself is a reflexive pronoun. Now this is something which you have heard it maybe for the first time. You have heard he, you know that is a pronoun. He is a pronoun. But now he has hurt himself. Here he is the subject. Now here when we are talking about the object also, when both are there in a sentence, we have to use a reflexive pronoun. So here he is a pronoun. He has hurt himself. Himself is a reflexive pronoun. Now reflexive pronouns, let me tell you something about reflexive pronouns. They are the words that end with in self, always self or cells. When it is plural, cells, that are used when the subject and the object of the sentence are same. Now just look at the example given, I believe in myself. I'm talking about myself. I believe in myself. So I is a pronoun and myself is a reflexive pronoun. We have to use when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. So students, let us see some of the examples that can be used in reflexive pronouns. The words such as myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves and themselves. So the words that end with self, these are the reflexive pronouns. So today in active English we are going to deal with this topic in chapter 20. Okay. So just open that page, chapter 20. Here you can read that question, answer the questions. You have to basically see the picture. The question is given, you have to just write the answer. Now what picture is here? The picture number 1, you can see a boy. I feel he has hurt himself. Okay, there is a sling on his hand, right? So look at this picture. Now what has he done? The question, what has he done? Now let us find how can we write this answer. He has hurt himself. Okay, here we are making use of the reflexive pronoun. He is a pronoun. He has hurt himself. Okay, let's move to the next one. Here you can see this picture. There is a girl who is looking at the mirror. Understood? Yes. Let us see what question we can write. There is already a question. Who is she looking at? Who is she looking at? Now the answer is, she is looking at herself. She's looking at her image. When she is looking in the mirror, you can see your image, right? So she is looking at herself. Students, just write. She is looking at herself. Let's move ahead, students. Here we have this picture. There's a boy sitting and you can see something in front of him, right? I think let's find out. Who is he laughing at? Yes, he's sitting there and he's laughing. Okay, so the question, who is he laughing at? Now again you look at the picture. Maybe that boy, he has slipped and he has fallen and he is laughing. You know, sometimes you feel funny, right? When you slip and you fall. So he is laughing. So what is the question? Who is he laughing at? Here, the answer, he is laughing at himself. There was nobody around, but he felt very funny at like how he fell down. Okay, so he's laughing at himself. Just write this answer. He is laughing at himself. Next. Now, here you can see in this picture there are boys and girls laughing. Okay, they are laughing. They are looking at the mirror, I guess so, right? And they are laughing. Let's check what is the question. Who are they laughing at? Who are they laughing at? What should be the answer, students? They are laughing at themselves. Means there were three of them. They were looking at the mirror and they were laughing. So they were looking at their own images and they were laughing at themselves. So they are laughing at themselves. Shall I move ahead? Yes, you have this picture of a small cat kitten. You can see that he's cleaning, right? Just see the picture. Yes, let us check what is the question. Who is it washing? Washing means it's cleaning. No, it's cleaning its body. Washing. Who is it washing? It is washing itself. Is anybody doing it for him? No. It is washing itself. So the question, who is it washing? Answer, it is washing itself. It is washing itself. Next. Now here you can see a small puppy. Just check out what is the question. Who is the dog shaking? You can see, look at the picture again. The dog is shaking, and if the dog is wet, what happens? Although he sprinkles the water from his body, right? When he's shaking. Okay. Mostly after it's given a bath, the dogs they do this. So what the question is, who is the dog shaking? The answer should be, the dog is shaking itself. The dog is shaking itself. Written, students. The dog is shaking itself. Now just have a look at this picture. Let us move ahead. The next picture you can see is there are two boys. Both have slings in their hand. That means they have hurt themselves, right? So let us check the question. What have they done? Now what have they done? Maybe while playing they fell down. So let's check what is the answer. They have hurt themselves. Why cells now? Because there are two boys. Okay, they are plural. So they have hurt themselves. I hope you are writing correctly, students. So students, it's a very small chapter. We have come to the end of this chapter. This lesson was basically introducing you on this reflexive pronouns, and we know what are reflexive pronouns. So students, I'm sure you have written all the answers. Keep seeing the videos again and again. Okay. So students, till we meet in the next class, have a nice day.